Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, July the 12th, 2024. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 puzzles, so it's a lot. The first one, the 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 888. 8888. Yeah. Quadra 8. Not triple, but quadra. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Well, 3 digits more than usual. Well, because the 3 stars Sudoku has always 25. This one has 3 stars. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. Zero. For 0 stars puzzle, you need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. We have 4 in this row, 4 in that row, some row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Oh, 4, 4, yeah. Here should be the 4. Alright. Then, let me see. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this last row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2, okay. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. And I need a 3 here. Well. Let me see. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 5, 6, 8. Look, we have 6 and 8 in this middle column, so no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 5. Alright. Need a 5 here. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. Only place left for 5 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 1, 8. 189. No. 9 and the 7. Come on. Need a 9 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. The 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. 1, 1. Alright. Need an 8 here. 8 there, yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in a row above, so in that row. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, let me mark those. 5 and the 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Then 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5. Then 2 numbers left in this third row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers to 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4, 7, 9. Okay. 7, 9, and the 2. Missing the 2 here. 2, 2. Okay. 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Excuse me. Alright. 6, 6. Let me think. Come on. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then let me see. 7 and a 9. Yeah. How about? Need a 3 there. I need some pairs. 2, 2, 6, 5. Need a 3 here. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 3 here. And I need a 4. Yeah. We have a pair in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers. We have 5 missing numbers, but 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in this row, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 4 and goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And now 2, 2. Okay, 7 and 9. Let me think. How about? Need 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 7, 3. 8, 7, 3. Well, three missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, so no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. So the 8 and the 7 are left. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes and there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two numbers left here for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 2. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 8, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there, finishing 30 minutes. Well, told you, it should be a 0 stars. And we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.